What's up guys, Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with more tech, more reviews. Now I know this product has been on the market for a while. I never picked this one up, but I wanted to check it out and see because I had a lot of questions about it. So this is the Logitech Crayon. Let's check it out.
For all time's sake.
So as I mentioned, this is Logitech. This is the Crayon. First off, let's talk about what this is going to actually work with. It says all 2018 model iPad or later. So iPad Pro, iPad Air, iPad Mini 5th generation, iPad 7th generation. It should work with that. I will be testing this with all those a little later on. Let's talk about this. So if you check the specs on the side, it says you can take notes, you can sign documents, you can sketch, you can draw. It's good for on the go, and it's good for kids ages 5 and up. That's great because I fit into that range of the 5 and up. You get the Apple Pencil technology built into here. Now, right away, I'm going to tell you one thing that I don't like about this product. It doesn't come with a charger. There is a lightning port right here up top, and it does not come with a cable so that you can charge this up. So that's one thing I don't like about this product. Few features about this one: you got an on-off switch up here, you got your adapter right there where you're going to plug it in at, and then you got your pen tip down here, your Logitech branding right there on the front. That's all you pretty much get in the box. Like I said, very minimalistic. You get some paperwork here and some paperwork here. So all the logistic stuff that we normally get in a box, put that to the side. So let's talk about this pen, or this pencil, should I say. Now, this pencil is going to charge up. Like I said, it's going to work not through Bluetooth, but it basically just powers on and then it's going to work. Now, key feature, you cannot have your original Apple Pencil paired to this tablet while you are using this. So this can be the only pencil that's going to be actually connected to your tablet during this time. Now, it said that this is going to work with all those separate note apps. So as you can see right here on my tablet, I have Evernote, Notability, I have Adobe Draw, I have Procreate, Art Rage, Sketchbook, things of that nature. I'm going to just do some random artwork in some of these just to see how this works, because it claims that it's going to utilize the Apple technology so that if you tilt, your line can get thicker or thinner depending on how you're going to be writing. Now, another feature that I really like about this is that it's flat. So I actually like the feel of this, the flatness, the ability to be able to just kind of hold it like this at your leisure. It feels nice when you're writing. When you're drawing, feels good as well. Now, what I want to do is I'm going to actually open up an app and we're going to test this thing out. So as mentioned earlier, the Apple Pencil has to be disconnected. So what I'm going to go in and do is make sure that my Bluetooth is off. I have that off right here. And then I'm going to just turn this on. So you're holding this button down right here. And then you're going to let that LED come on. Boom. And it should be ready to go. Quick test. And there we go. Now, the case that I'm using is the Cover Buddy Folio. It does not have a true drawing mode, but if you just kind of stand it up like that, it allows you to get that kind of a easel feel. First off, I'm starting in Apple's. Well, first off, let's make sure that we can use our Apple Pencil original features. So if you slide up from here, you can still take that screenshot, which is nice. I like that. It works with that feature. Coming into here, this is your original Notes app. Now, there's no tap to do anything like on the original Apple Pencil. So I'm actually just going to write something straight up and down. I'm going to write. Okay, now they say if you tilt your pencil, your line gets thicker, which I can kind of see that it does. Let's make this thin, and we'll erase some of this stuff. All right, go back in here, and I'm just going to draw a line and tilt it. Okay, so I guess there really is no difference because this is a straight line on the tip. I'm tilting it to the side, holding it down. I'm not getting a different size line with this. Now, if anybody has any experience with this and you can shed a little light on it, please feel free to let me know. Now it works with the highlighter. With the highlighter straight up, highlighter to the side. So my line did get thicker with the highlighter. With the regular, let's try the pencil. Straight line to the side. Okay, so with the pencil, it actually works as well. So just with this pen, straight line to the side. With the pen, it's not actually picking up that when I tilt it to the side. But with the pencil, with the highlighter, everything looks good. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just open up one of my art apps. So one of my favorite art apps is right here. This is Art Rage. I just use this to play around, and I'm going to just... So there is some lag there. If you notice, the line doesn't start right away. There is a little lag right there in Art Rage. Let's try Notability, and I'm here in Notability, and there is no lag in Notability. And do you get the thicker line? No. Stays about the same. Okay, so it still writes well. It's nice and fluid. Just in one app, it didn't do the actual... Just in one app, it was a little laggy. In the other, Notability, it works fine. So if you're going to be writing and drawing in these apps, just make sure you get the right one that's going to work best with this pencil. Procreate is another. I got it open right here, and no issues. There's no lag. Everything looks good. Actually supports palm rejection, which is great. That's one of the big features. Okay, I like it. So it's a pretty good alternative to that Apple Pencil, and it's gonna actually cost you way less. This is gonna run you about 60 bucks. Right now, you can pick it up on Amazon for about 40 bucks. So I think it's a pretty good idea to get one of these if you don't wanna spend 120, 130 bucks on the Apple Pencil. So another thing that I want you guys to actually pick up is probably going to be one of these cables right here. Now, this is a Lightning to USB Type-C cable, and all you do is plug that into your iPad, and then you are going to plug this into the top of the pencil itself, and you can charge this while you're on the go. Now, I know that it's very handy to sit this on top, but you can still use this adapter right here and charge this pencil wherever you go. Now, it is notable that you cannot use this pencil while it is charging. So you're not going to get an extra feature out of this while thinking you're going to be able to charge it and use it at the same time. There's no charge and use. You see it right here. It's not working. You're not going to be able to use this. So you're still going to be in the same boat as you are with the Apple Pencil. While it has to charge, you can't use it. Same thing with this one. While it's charging, you will not be able to use it. So guys, that has been it. This is the Logitech Crayon. I think it's a great alternative to that Apple Pencil. It's flat. It supports the palm rejection. It's way cheaper, coming in anywhere from 40 to 60 bucks. It charges through the Lightning cable. There's not one provided, which I don't like that part. And you can't use this while it is being charged, but it supports the tilt feature where you're going to be able to get a different line shade. It supports precise drawing. And some of the apps are still a little laggy, but if you pick the right app, you can still get good functionality out of this device. So I give it a big thumbs up from the company Logitech. So I'll be sure and drop a link below to this as well as the cable. I'll also drop a link to this case below so you can check that out for yourself. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.